welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm gonna be filming this cotton candy vibe sort of makeup look, and as you guys can see in the background, I am actually at the Kolorz store. For those of you who don't know, I actually work for Kolorz now, which is very exciting. So first things first, I am going to start baking my under eye area because I already did my foundation off of camera. I'm using my Dermacolor foundation in D135, and first I'm going to go in with the Kolorz P26 palette, taking that white shade and just highlighting my brow bone. Then I'm mixing these orange shades together, and I'm going to be using this as my transition shades. All of the products that I'm using today you can find at the Kolorz store. Then I'm taking the Dupe Factorie 39P palette and taking that purple and just working it into my crease and on my lower lash line. I'm just making sure I remembered which palette I was using. I'm taking a darker purple and I'm going to also pack that into the crease and just add more depth because I'm going to be cutting the crease. Now originally when I created this look, it wasn't a cut crease, it was more like a halo, but I decided to do a bit more of a cut crease look. Next, taking the P28 palette from Kolorz again, taking that blue shade, wetting it with some golden rose setting spray and packing it on the outer corner of my eye, and it becomes so much more intense with the golden rose setting spray. I'm also taking that into my crease as well, and not forgetting the outer corner of the lower lash line. Next, taking my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot, and I'm going to be cutting my crease with this. Now I'm using my MAC Soft Ochre because this is the only product that prevents anything I put on my lids from creasing. And I'm just cutting the crease with this, then taking this pink shade and just packing that on the first third of my eye. And then taking this golden shade and I'm gonna pack that in the center of my eye and make sure I'm blending it into the pink and the blue. These palettes from Kolorz are actually really decent, and not forgetting to take all of those colors on my lower lash line. Then going in with my Golden Rose Precision eyeliner in the shade Intense Black, and I'm going to be drawing some wings with this liner. This has become like my everyday liner. Like, it's so easy to use and it's so dark, you guys. Like, it's amazing. And then taking my Golden Rose Smoky Lashes mascara and applying that to my top and bottom lashes. Again, all of the Golden Rose products you can find at the Kolorz store at East Rand Mall, which is amazing. I mean, if you guys want to like try out some of the lippies, you can do it in store, and it takes out the guesswork out of figuring the shades online because sometimes it's a bit deceiving, you know. Next, going in with this Golden Rose Sculpting palette, and I'm taking the contour shade and I'm just going to start bronzing up my face. I prefer like a soft bronze sort of look these days. Like, I don't heavily contour like I usually do, so I'm just going to be bronzing up my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, my jawline, the usual situation. And then taking this beautiful like rose goldeny sort of shimmery blush and just putting a little bit on my cheeks. It looks so stunning, you guys. I'm obsessed. And then taking this highlight shade and using a eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm gonna be packing this onto my cheeks. Can you guys see how pigmented this is? Oh my goodness. I also use the shade to highlight my inner tear ducts as well, and I'm just highlighting the rest of my face. And then using the Golden Rose setting spray to set my makeup into place. And for lips, I'm going to be mixing two Golden Rose liquid lippies. I'm going to be mixing the shade 20, or is it 22? Yeah, 20 and 10. And then just dabbing 10 in the center of my lips. And then to finish off this look, I'm going to be applying my Linespring lashes in the style Extra. And that is it for this look, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. I hope you have enjoyed the change of scenery. I might actually be filming quite frequently at work for you guys. So yeah, definitely have a look at my Instagram, see if there's any looks that I've recreated as my makeup of the days that you guys would like me to film. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to slay all day, every day with and without makeup. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! Hello! Focus on me, not the lady behind me. Thank you so much.